today we are going to be working on our line book. And we have been using different tools to make our line drawings. We've tried lines with crayons, we've tried lines with oil pastels, and we also have used markers, okay? And so this book is going to be all about lines. I'm actually going to write that word on the front of my book, and you can pick which tool you want to use today. I think I'm going to use markers, and I'm going to write, this is the cover of my book, and so I want to put the title of my book. So I'm going to write lines, L-I-N-E-S. I'm also going to write my name, because this is my book. And I will put this on the front board so that you guys can see how to spell the word lines. If you want to draw on the cover of books often have beautiful pictures on them. Maybe I'm going to draw some different kinds of lines on my book. I'll do some zigzags, some wavy lines, maybe a dashed line. Maybe up here I'll do a curly-Q kind of line. Okay, you're welcome to make the front however you want it. Now, inside you're going to find a couple of pages in this book, and I'm going to open my book to page 1. And on this page, I want you to pick your tool. I'll set the timer, and maybe I'll do a picture on this first page using lines and oil pastels. So each page of my book, I'm going to use a different tool. So this page, I'm going to draw a picture using oil pastels. Okay, we'll have about 10 minutes. When the timer goes off, turn the page and get a different tool. Maybe for this page, I'm going to do a picture with markers. I'll set the timer, and when the timer goes off, you can put those tools away, turn the page, and get the next tool. My last tool will be crayons, so I'll spend about 10 minutes drawing a picture with crayons. Okay, and each picture could be different, but it's always fun to try out those tools and use the lines that we've learned. Like for my oil pastel one on this page, I think I'm going to do some kind of water scene since we learned all those cool water lines. And so you decide what you would like to draw. On the last page, since that one day we drew a chameleon, I printed you guys a picture of a chameleon to color. You can pick one of the 3 tools to color it in. You might want to use crayons, maybe you want to use some oil pastels, or maybe you want to try coloring with markers. Okay, and then that will be the end of our book. If you want to draw on the very back, you could also include a picture on the back of your book too. All right, you guys, I can't wait to see your line books come together today.